So as we can see, after a few starts, the engine has cleared up and is running quite differently now. Well, it's already warmed up. It's about 45 to 50 degrees now, and it's running differently. It responds to the throttle completely differently. Alright, so what do I do next? I'm removing the first cylinder head. I block the oil channel and drain the diesel fuel into a separate bottle to prevent spills. And that's it. We'll try starting it without the cylinder head. My engine isn't very stable. This spot keeps slipping. Should I just remove it? I'm ready to start the engine without one cylinder head. I've blocked it here, rerouted gas to this side, remove it from the other side. I moved the button, rerouted the gas and set up the camera. Let's give it a try. So basically the engine started, yeah, but as we can see, oil started leaking, so I fixed it and put in a different bolt here. Oil started leaking from the drain hole too. The bolt only has about 2 threads and was barely screwed in. That's it. Let's try starting it. So it's the next day now, and we're going to keep working on this engine. Yesterday I started it without one head. Yeah, basically without one working cylinder. And basically, what can I say? Well, basically, the engine does start. Like I said, it should start. One cylinder isn't really critical at all. It does have an imbalance, meaning that compression is created in some cylinders, but in this one there's no compression. So it creates an imbalance, and it starts to shake. I'll remove the second head, then try to start it. Next, I'll remove the third head and continue. I'll also explain why I'm removing them in this order. Yes, first, second, third, or for example, first, third, fifth, like skipping one each time. So the firing order of this engine is 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, 4. I've already removed the first cylinder head. We've removed the first one. We need to make the cylinders fire alternately. We need to keep the fifth cylinder head, remove the third one, keep the sixth cylinder head, remove the second one, and keep the fourth cylinder head. We see that we have the fourth, fifth, and sixth left, right? Yes, the fourth. 4, 5, 6, and we remove the first, second, and third. So now I'm going to remove the second cylinder head, then I'll remove the third cylinder head. Well, let's see how it behaves with 3 cylinder heads removed. What else do I want to do? We can see that because of the vibration, this piece of wood keeps trying to slide out, right? Keeps shifting. And I couldn't think of anything else except to put this manifold here. So everything is ready for the start. I put plugs here. Also put on the bottle, made some more belts like this, nailed them on. As we can see, the engine started on 3 cylinders without issues and responds to the throttle which is expected. There are engines that are actually designed so that you can turn off 50 cylinders. It's one thing when the engine was originally designed with this capability to turn off 50 cylinders, and it's a completely different story when you try to turn off half the cylinders on a regular, ordinary engine. Now I'm going to remove the 6th head. Let's see how it behaves. All right, another start, -4 cylinders, let's go. So as we can see, the engine starts and runs on 2 cylinders, but of course it's already unstable, it's shaking all over. The point is, it still works. Alright, it just needs to start on 1 cylinder. I'm removing the 5th head since the 4th is hard to reach. I'll take off the 5th and start it on the 4th cylinder. Dynamic. that's it. It worked. The engine is running on one cylinder. Dynamic.